Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set Safari to automatically close tabs after 1 day, 1 week or 1 month on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on your home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Safari. Next, we go down and tap on Close Tabs. By default, Close Tabs is set to manually. Now you can choose so that it will automatically close the tabs after 1 day, after 1 week, or after 1 month. And that's it. So select one of the options and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.